Inay, tara na, let's go na. Gorgeous as always, Sisi. Nice, si Jacqueline. Hello, Sisi. Mwah, salamat. Let's start our budulan. Mga Sisi, I'm going to talk it out. 13. Yes, Sisi, dumating na yan. Napurnada na lang ang pag-sort kasi inuna yung nilive ko sa Pinas na 4 na live selling at tapos na po. So basically, mag-start na kami tomorrow ng ng another live ulit. Tinatapos lang namin lahat-lahat. Continuous po ang pagsisend namin. Alam niyo naman yan. Everyday may parcel yata kay Bangkok's Best. Salamat po ng madami. This is fit up to XL frame. Up to 44 boss. Mind you, mga Sisi, this is Leah. One of the best, mga Sisi, when it comes to fabric. You never go wrong. Talagang lahat ng nakatanggap ng Leah, they're very happy. They're very happy with the fabric, with the design. Yayamanin, mga Sisi. Look at that. If you're small, medium, large, XL, free size to hanggang XL frame. Code for this one, Mickey 699. Code for this one is Mickey 699. May mga ano pa yan, bling bling. Naka-inner po ako ng black, so wala yung kabahid ng nipis, mga Sisi. Walang kabahid ng nipis. Napakaganda. Code for this one is Mickey for only 699 and it's free delivery to your doorstep. If you're interested with my shorts, it's available as well. Good thing hanggang XL frame yun. Hanggang XL frame, eto pala. My age, Sisi nandiyan na din. Inuna lang yung nilive ko sa Pinas, pero ongoing na sila. Parang ngayon. Parang marireceive mong picture na yan ngayon, Sisi. Ha? How much ang suot, ma'am? 699. This one, mga Sisi, so if you'll see, mayroong lowy with dyan, mga Sisi. Lowy with, there, included na yan. 890, 949 to be 890 pesos. Free delivery to your doorstep. We have 2 colors available. We have it in choco and black. Sizes, small, medium, large, XL. For only 890 pesos. But for my top, it's only 699. Code natin dito, Mickey. Si Miss Joanne yun.